Yingjun ka?
Ah, definitely not him.
What would Yingjun even be doing here? Why am I thinking about him again?
It has been so many years. He's probably forgotten all about me.
Am I really that scary looking?
Ouch.
My self-esteem.
I can't believe a hot guy is holding me. This is so embarrassing. This is terrifying. Help me.
You dirtied my shoes.
How annoying.
You are way too handsome. Are you seriously a detective?
Of course.
Can I get your number? Or your socials?
Sorry, I don't give out my personal info. That is all for today's questions. If you remember anything else, you can find me at the station.
Wait, you're just leaving. It is definitely him. I remember that girl who got hit begged him for help. But that guy's kind of a psycho. He didn't even flinch, just left her there like it was nothing.
Kind of a psycho. What is his deal anyway? Excuse me, hold on a second. I need you to give a statement, please. Lin Mo!
Huh?
Where the hell have you been all these years? You punk! Do you have any idea how worried I was?
Who even are you? Do I know you? Crap. My acting must have been terrible. He totally saw right through me. He is definitely going to blow up. Why did I play dumb and ask who he was? Could I be any more obvious? We were together for so many years. Plus, with a face like Yingjun's, there's no way anyone could ever forget him. I am so stupid. Who even are you? Do I know you?
Are you kidding me right now? You don't know me. You little punk! And here I was, missing you all these years! Fine, since that is how it is. Right now, I suspect you are linked to a fraud and a hit-and-run case. You are coming down to the station for questioning.
Wait. Fraud? What fraud? I have absolutely no idea. I was just passing by.
Save it!
Wait, hold on a second. I really can't go. Yingjun, my professor is waiting for my lab results. I can't leave yet.
Yingjun.
Talk about digging my own grave. What was I thinking? Why does my brain completely short-circuit around him? If I had just stood my ground, maybe I wouldn't be in this mess. 5 years, and I haven't changed at all. I am still so in love with him. If I had just stayed away like I did 5 years ago. But he is so sweet. He'll only ever see me as a brother.
Looking at your file here, weren't you a biology major? Why the sudden switch to acting?
I didn't.
Oh, keep the act going. You put on quite a show out there earlier.
Look, I finished the statement. Can I go now?
No way. You still haven't answered my question. Why did you suddenly go ghost? You even blocked my number.
I lost my phone.
You always look at your shoes when you lie. I took care of you for years. Is it really too much to ask for an explanation?
Just drop it. I don't want to keep lying to you.
You stubborn kid. Fine. Forget it if you don't want to talk. You've been like this since you were little. So hard-headed. Man, you really know how to play me. Looking all pathetic like that. I can't even stay mad at you.
You are still the same. Always so good to me.
We were just curious. The precious little brother you always brag about.
You shameless bunch. If you scare him, I will literally kill you.
Wow, he is actually really handsome. Totally different vibe from our grumpy boss here. Are you guys really brothers?
It is not fair. How are both of you so good looking? Save some for the rest of us.
Hey, is anyone even listening to me? Seriously.
Boss, since you two finally reunited, why don't you bring him to the after party? Please. We haven't seen any fresh eye candy in forever.
No way. We have to take the subway to get there. He can't ride the subway.
Why can't he ride the subway?
Shut up. Mind your own business.
I can take the subway. I am not afraid of trains anymore.